Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play rock music. First, select your instrument. An electric guitar, bass, or drum kit are excellent choices. Begin by mastering fundamental chords and scales, like the pentatonic scale, which is crucial for rock. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to practice, focusing on rhythm and timing with a metronome to build a solid foundation. Next, dive into core rock techniques. Power chords are essential for that signature heavy sound, often using just 2 or 3 fingers. Experiment with palm muting to add percussive elements and aggression to your playing. Study iconic rock riffs and understand typical song structures, like verse-chorus-verse. Actively listen to your favorite rock tracks to internalize their feel and dynamics. Now, broaden your horizons by exploring various rock subgenres. Try punk for its raw energy, metal for its intensity, or blues rock for its soulful roots. Incorporate effects pedals like distortion or overdrive to shape your tone, adding grit and sustain. Spend time improvising over backing tracks. This helps develop your unique voice and musicality, making your playing more dynamic and expressive. Finally, the best way to truly experience rock music is by playing with others. Seek out fellow musicians to form a band or simply jam together regularly. Collaborative practice is key to synchronizing your instruments and developing a cohesive sound. Once comfortable, performing live, even for a small audience, will significantly boost your confidence and refine your stage presence, completing your rock journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.